So a friend Philip gave me a Dutch oven, and today we're trying it out for the first time. So there's stuffed bell peppers, and then after the stuffed bell peppers, I'm going to use it to make some peach cobbler, and I'm also making some sausage with that. My friend Philip gave me a Dutch oven, and as I said before, we were making bell peppers. Here's the final product here: bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers with beef, and it looks absolutely delicious. So now we're going to try to fish them out of here without getting burned. Put it in the skillet just so we could serve it out of there.
Thank you, huh?
The aluminum foil stuck.
Just gotta remember not to eat it with the aluminum.
Yeah, don't eat the aluminum foil.
Remove the aluminum foil, yes. It's a advice. Anyways, guys, tell them how do you make them? You just put them on the fire, or
Yeah, we put aluminum foil on the bottom to line it,
uh-huh.
and then you stuff the peppers with beef, and you cut them in half. Take out the seeds, stuff them with beef. You can add rice to them. These have a little rice and beef, and then
Smells delicious, man.
put aluminum foil on the bottom, and put them on the put it on the fire. You put a ring of fire. You don't put any actual fire under it. You don't put any coals under it, because then it'll get too hot.
Yum, yum, yum. Very good, man. They smell delicious. And then we're making here on the side, right?
Yeah, we're making rice on the side, so we have rice with it. We'll do a little different. Let's do a little
Who gave you this one? Or you got it?
a friend of mine, Phil from the radio club. He he knows that I come camping a lot, and so he gave it to me so that I could use it when we camp.
Thank you, Phil. Thank you for that contribution. Are you making anything else with this today?
Yeah, we're gonna do a peach cobbler
Oh wow. Nice.
for dessert.
So this is our last night, huh?
It is our last night here, and the beautiful windy spot. It's called Hilltop, and
All right, I'm gonna show the viewers what turn the camera around here and show the viewers what this place looks like.
there's one can of peaches.
So you went ahead and sprayed this time the bottom so the aluminum.
Yeah, I sprayed the bottom so the aluminum stick doesn't stick. I'm gonna pour it in with a can and all.
How many cans are you putting approximately?
2 cans.
2 cans. Okay, cool.
2 cans of peaches with a fluid, with a liquid and everything.
Okay, so 2 cans of peaches with a liquid and everything. Nice.
All right. You know what? Check on those sausages. I think they're all ready.
Okay. All right. So first you mix.
No mixing.
What is you're holding here?
This is a yellow cake mix.
All right. So yellow cake mix.
Yeah. And first you do is you put, huh? All right.
A couple more minutes. So you might want to roll. You have a spare on something.
All I have is this thing.
Let me show.
All right. It's just yellow cake mix. All right. So then what we're gonna do is
Thing in there.
we spread the peaches out throughout. Peaches are spread out, and we just pour the cake mix evenly over the top, kind of making like a blanket of a cake mix over the peaches. Let's turn this radio off. I love you, Louis, but we're making a video. All right. Put the whole thing in there.
Yes. definitely do a lot of editing on this. You do the talk on the side of what we do and cut them.
All right, now I need the butter.
I don't know.
Not at all. That's right.
I said a few bad words.
No bad words. We don't do bad. We don't do bad words.
You know, thinking about it, it's still gonna be G because I have no ass at all. So
My cutting board. Put that here. I'm gonna get a knife. Get this one. All right. Now what we're gonna do is cut the butter into thin slices and put it on top.
this is the whole thing.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it into little slices
Okay, so explain why slices.
so that it covers as much area as possible.
There we go.
We want to cover as much area as possible.
So that stuff melts and gets hard, right?
It melts and it turns
It's
into.
like a crust.
It makes it. Yeah,
Okay.
it makes it like a cake.
Right.
We're here. We're having fun. We're not in a kitchen. We're not in a controlled environment. So we get what we get, and it's part of the fun.
It's actually pretty easy to make, huh?
It is. You can make it in the oven at home. Same way.
How many? What's the time you're gonna put it on the fire for?
It takes 30 to 45 minutes. And at 30 minutes, you check it to see it. When it's brown on top, you're good.
Cool.
All right. So it's in there now. I'm gonna grab the cover. It should still be warm from when we made the other stuff.
There you go. The steaks that which one that
The one, same one, the ones that we bought. Yeah. All right, let's go put this on the fire. All right, I need to take some of this. I gotta put some coals on top.
just a few or you fill at the top?
About 16 or so. Yeah. All right, Tony. We'll be back when we'll be back when
So you're getting used to it. Yeah, no, I'm getting used to it. Go ahead, say it now.
we'll be back in about 30 minutes to check on it
All right.
to see if it's golden brown.
Okay. Words of wisdom.
Yeah, whatever he said.
Good.
He's the master cook, not me.
All right, so let's give us a little look, see how it came out.
Nice.
Phil from the radio club gave me this thing.
What's his name?
Phil.
Oh, Phil.
And I think best way to do this is to flip it, right?
Yeah, so that'd be flipped. Yeah, something flat.
Woo, last plate. Smells delicious. Let's see if it'll come out like that first.
Good.
Damn.
So everybody come grab a piece from here, right?
Yeah, we got to serve it, and they have to get something to serve it with or serve it on. Let's let it cool off a little bit. So looks delicious. Let me try it. Tastes pretty good. Yeah, I think that's a wrap, bro.
All right, man. Well,
Delicious. Thank you, Phil.
yeah, thank you, Phil.
Oh my God.
Quick shout out for channel members only. If you caught how many times I said or mentioned Phil in this video, leave a comment with your name and correct number. Make sure you're a channel member and don't forget to like and share this video. I'll be giving away a free t-shirt to a winner.